Can you pass this classic trucks quiz? Think you know your classic trucks? Test your knowledge and see if you can name these legendary machines today. Only the most dedicated truck enthusiasts will score a perfect 10-10. This truck, first introduced by Ford in 1948, is often credited with helping to define the modern pickup truck and became a favorite for work and leisure. What truck is it? A. Ford F-Series. B. Ford Ranger. C. Ford Bronco. D. Ford Model Airstream. Correct answer, A. Ford F-Series. This Chevrolet truck, first introduced in 1960, is known for its bold styling, integrated bodywork, and was a breakthrough design for its time. What truck is it? A. Chevrolet Silverado. B. Chevrolet Apache. C. Chevrolet El Camino. D. Chevrolet S10. Correct answer, B. Chevrolet Apache. This iconic Dodge truck, introduced in 1948, was designed with rugged durability in mind and became a favorite of the American workforce. What truck is it? A. Dodge Power Wagon. B. Dodge Dakota. C. Dodge Ram. D. Dodge Rebel. Correct answer, A. Dodge Power Wagon. This classic American truck, first built in 1955, featured a sleek design and a V8 engine, and quickly became known for its performance and utility. What truck is it? A. GMC Sierra. B. Chevrolet Task Force. C. Ford F-100. D. Dodge L600. Correct answer, B. Chevrolet Task Force. This 1960s-era truck from International Harvester became known for its rugged off-road capability and distinctive boxy design. What truck is it? A. International Scout. International Lodestar. C. International C-Series. International TerraStar. Correct answer, A. International Scout. This classic Ford truck, built from 1947 to 1952, was one of the first to feature a post-war design with more modern elements such as curved glass and streamlined features. What truck is it? A. Ford F1. B. Ford F100. C. Ford F-150. D. Ford Model B. Correct answer, A. Ford F1. This classic GMC truck, introduced in 1967, was known for its powerful engines and versatile body styles, including the first-ever GMC Sierra. What truck is it? A. GMC CK. B. GMC Jimmy. GMC Suburban. GMC Sierra Classic. Correct answer, A. GMC Cicada. Introduced in 1947, this truck was the first to feature the Chevrolet Advanced design and became one of the most popular trucks of its era. What truck is it? A. Chevrolet Silverado. B. Chevrolet 3100. C. Chevrolet Suburban. D. Chevrolet Cheyenne. Correct answer, B. Chevrolet 3100. This 1960s Ford truck is famous for its style side box, a more modern approach to pickup bed design. What truck is it? A. Ford F-150. B. Ford F-250. C. Ford F-100. D. Ford F-350. Correct answer, C. Ford F-100. This truck from the early 1980s was designed as a compact pickup with a rugged reputation, often associated with its mini-truck era. What truck is it? A. Dodge Dakota. Chevrolet S10. C. Ford Ranger. GMC Sonoma. Correct answer, B. Chevrolet S10.